How to use TikTok remote scrolling ring for iOS users. Click on Settings, find Accessibility, then Zoom, then turn on Zoom. When Zoom is enabled, simply double tap with 3 fingers to restore it. If you click 3 times with 3 fingers, tap Zoom Out to restore it. Please ensure that iOS version is higher than 14.8. Remove the ring from the charging case. The red and blue lights flash alternately, indicating that the device is turned on. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth. Search for R1 and connect to the device. Once you've done that, you can wear the device on your hand. You can press the down button to scroll down the video. Right-click to go to the profile page. Left-click to exit the profile page. Long press the down button to scroll down slowly. Long press the up button to scroll up slowly. Double tap the camera button to take photos or videos in the TikTok app. Double tap the camera button. Start recording. Double tap the camera button. End recording. When you press OK, you can pause and play the video. Most importantly, double-click the OK button to like your favorite video. Long press the OK button and you can also give continuous likes to your favorite live stream. Also, long press the left or right button to adjust the volume. Even more can be done with this device. Control the RAW camera and beauty camera for taking selfies and recording videos. Long press the camera button to switch the front and rear camera lens. Click the OK button to focus. You can also use it to remotely turn pages of ebooks. Do you struggle with scrolling up or down too fast and too far when reading ebooks? Don't worry. Just long press the down button to scroll down slowly. Long press the up button to scroll up slowly. You can turn off continuous scrolling in settings. Then you can turn the page to the left or right. Get it?